Welcome to Dementia-Friendly Prince George's County, Maryland Northern Sector webinar series for caregivers. Today's topic is Financial Powers of Attorney in Maryland, sponsored by Prince George's County Government and the Department of Family Services.
Hi, I'm Darlene Powell. I'm one of the staff attorneys at Community Legal Services of Prince George's County. Today I'm going to talk about financial powers of attorney in Maryland. In Maryland, we have what's called the Maryland General and Limited Power of Attorney Act. It provides provisions for financial powers of attorney. What is a financial power of attorney? A financial power of attorney is a document that allows you to authorize someone to act on your behalf with respect to financial matters. Why should every adult have a financial power of attorney? Every adult should have a financial power of attorney because there may be situations where they're unable to do something that needs to be done from a financial standpoint, and if they have not authorized someone to step in and act on their behalf, then that transaction or other business may not be able to be completed. Types of financial powers of attorney. There are general financial powers of attorney, wherein there's a wide range of powers granted. Essentially, powers are your agent's right to act on your behalf. In terms of the wide range of powers, it could be anything from handling banking transactions to real estate transactions to dealing with your retirement accounts. On the other hand, there are limited powers of attorney. With a limited power of attorney, your agent is authorized to conduct a specific transaction, or there's a limited scope as to what your agent can do. For example, a specific transaction would be if you're going to be out of the country and you're supposed to go to settlement on a new home. You can authorize someone under a power of attorney to act on your behalf at the real estate closing. Or in terms of limited scope, you may want to do a power of attorney that only allows someone to handle banking transactions on your behalf and no other types of transactions. A financial power of attorney can be effective immediately. If it's effective immediately, your agent can act right away. They can do anything that you would normally do from a financial standpoint, provided that you have given them that authority in your power of attorney. Also, a power of attorney can become effective upon disability. You would prepare the power of attorney when you're not incapacitated, and then if you were to become incapacitated in the future and incapable of handling your own affairs, then your agent would be able to step in and act on your behalf. What financial matters are covered in the financial power of attorney? In a general power of attorney, typically matters pertaining to real property, buying and selling real estate, stocks and bonds, being able to handle those types of transactions, banks and financial institutions, being able to open and close bank accounts, endorse checks, make withdrawals, and so forth. Insurance and annuities, being able to transact business with respect to insurance and annuities. Claims and litigation, if you needed to file a lawsuit against someone, your agent could file it on your behalf, provided that authority was granted in your general power of attorney. Benefits from government programs, your agent could communicate with, say, for example, the agency handling Medicare. They could do that on your behalf if they were granted that authority under your general financial power of attorney. And then any other matters pertaining to civil and military service, retirement plans, taxes, digital assets, and so forth. Digital assets would be the authority to have access to your online accounts. Additionally, with the general financial power of attorney, you can add special instructions. Special instructions may be, I only want my agent to handle banking transactions under certain circumstances. So you can add whatever special instructions you want to. With a limited power of attorney, again, that's for specific matters or matters. As I indicated earlier, specific real estate transaction or the authorization to handle all banking transactions or the authorization to handle a small range of types of transactions, but not everything that you would generally handle in a general financial power of attorney. Designation of agent. You need to select an agent to act on your behalf under the financial power of attorney. In terms of the duties of an agent, the agent is supposed to act on your behalf in accordance with your wishes, always keeping your best interests first. Factors to consider when you're choosing an agent for your financial power of attorney. How well do I know this person? It should be someone whom you know really well. Can I trust this person? It should be someone whom you absolutely trust completely. Can they handle the responsibility? Some people aren't good with financial matters. If someone is going to be handling financial matters on your behalf, you want to make sure that they can handle the responsibility. Will they do the right thing? You're granting a wide range of powers. If someone's going to be going in and out of your bank accounts and handling other financial transactions, you want to make sure that they're doing the right thing by you. You should always designate an alternate agent. If your first choice of agent is unable or unwilling to act, then your alternate agent can step in. Co-agents. Some people want to appoint co-agents where you have two agents who act together. Is that a good idea or not? Generally, if you have co-agents, it can get a little bit messy. Sometimes one co-agent will want to do one thing, another co-agent may want to do another thing. A bank or other institution may be caught in the middle, and they may not be willing to do anything until things are sorted out in court. So in my opinion, it's best not to do co-agents, but to appoint an agent and an alternate agent. Witness and notary requirements in the state of Maryland. As of May of 2020, you need 2 adult witnesses. Those are witnesses who are 18 years of age or older. You need a notary because the document needs to be notarized. As of May 2020, the notary can be one of the witnesses. However, this provision is subject to change in the future. I typically always recommend that you have 2 adult witnesses plus a notary. So a total of 3 people witnessing the document, except the notary is completing the notary section. In terms of changes, for example, in October of 2020, the requirements are likely going to change with respect to whether the notary can be one of the witnesses if the document is witnessed remotely. Main reasons why an attorney should prepare your financial power of attorney. 1, to ensure that the financial power of attorney is properly prepared. Maryland law may change. Additionally, there are strict requirements for the language that goes into a financial power of attorney. If you don't meet the strict requirements that are set forth in the Annotated Code of Maryland, then your power of attorney may be invalid and your agent will not be able to use it and will not be able to act on your behalf. Additionally, an attorney can ensure that the document is properly executed. Signatures need to be in the correct places, especially the witness signatures. The witness information must be complete: name, address, telephone number, and so forth. The notary section must be properly completed by the notary. It's not required, but you may initial each page. Generally, I recommend that each page of the document be initialed by the principal, that is you, as well as your agents. That way, it's clear that you authorized every page of the document. Where should you keep your financial power of attorney? The original should be kept in a safe place, easily accessible to your agent. With respect to the institutions whom your agent may deal with, many of those institutions are going to want to see the original and then make their own copies. If you have any further questions or need further assistance regarding financial powers of attorney, please feel free to contact Community Legal Services of Prince George's County. They can be reached at the telephone number or through the website listed on this slide. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
This presentation is part of Dementia Friendly America's initiative, specifically Dementia Friendly America, Prince George's County, Northern Sector. You can learn a lot more about Dementia Friendly America and all the different communities involved in this movement online. Dementia Friendly America, Prince George's County, Northern Sector has virtual support groups. Please consider connecting with one of these groups. Also, there are monthly email newsletters to keep you informed and provide important information. There's also an upcoming webinar series. Dementia Friendly America, Northern Prince George's County has a YouTube channel now, and you can view educational videos on a wide range of topics. For additional information, you can contact Sharon Johnson at the phone number or the email address listed on this slide. Thank you.